Hello students, let's start these questions. This is write a program to check greater between ABC, and this question is given in your book also. Now you may see I have taken three variable name ABC, wherein I will put different values. Enter first value, and this is second value, second number, and this is the third number. One thing you should keep in mind, that is wherever these keywords are used, like int or input or print or elif or if, else, and these all you have to give in small case, small alphabets you have to use, but you may use any case in this double quote, between these double quotes. You may write anything, whatever you will write, it will not give you any error for these, no matter whether the spelling is correct or not, no matter whether these are in capital letter or a small letter, with a space or without a space. But here if you give I and T in capital letters, then it definitely will give you a error message. This AND is a logical operator which will combine these two values should be true. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, that means both the conditions should be true. If both the conditions are true, then only it will print A, whatever this A value will be there, it will print that value here, number is greater. Then if this condition is false, if these two conditions are false, then it will shift to this line where it will check again for these two conditions, whether B is greater than A and B is greater than C. If these two or both the conditions should be true, and if both the conditions are true, then it will print B number is greater. Again, if this condition is also false, then it will go down and it will print C number is greater. Whatever number is here, it will print that number is greater. So you have to keep in mind if you are using this AND logical operator, then both the conditions should be true. And if you use or anywhere, if you are using or, then that means any one of the condition, if any one of the condition is true, then the next line will be executed. So let's check this. I have to give like I'm taking small numbers. चलो दो नंबर का ले लेते हैं. 45 I'm taking, enter. I'm taking 89, then enter. I'm taking 78, enter. So you may see this is giving you 98 number is greater, or you may exempt this number here, 98 is greater. So let's cut this number from our question. So this number let's cut this number from everywhere, this also, and here, from here also. Let's see, again it will ask us to save this. Let's save, and let's give enter, enter, enter. 98 is greater. So this is the answer of this. Let's see the next question. Now you may see the next question is write a program to check whether the entered number is single digit, double digit or 3-digit number. This question again is there in your book. So here in this question what we have to do is we have to enter one positive number, and when we enter one positive number it will tell us whether that number is having 1 digit or 2 digits in it or 3 digits in it. And if you give any number more than that 3 digit, it will give you it has more than 3 digits. Let's try this. So if n is less than 10, it will give you single digit. If this condition will be checked, and if this condition is false, then only it will go down to this condition, and again this condition is false, then it will go to this. Anywhere if this is checking this condition, and if this condition is true, it will go here, and then this program will come out. Let's see, let's check this. So we have to give, like if I give 45, it will tell 45 is a 2-digit number. And if I'm giving let's take a number which is then if I enter, this has more than 3 digits. Let's do the next question. Now see this question, write a program to check if a character is alphabet or digit. अल्फ़ाबेट है कि डिजिट है. अल्फ़ाबेट में it is taking both the capital as well as small. So here we have to take a character. That's why I have not used int. So it will these numbers 0 to 9 is not used. We are not using these number for calculation, or these number are not used as numbers, they are used as characters. So let's see here, if we take any input only input value, input statement I have used, that means whatever I will give here, it will consider that thing as a string. So ch input, and then it will check whether this ch is greater than a and ch is less than z, or this whole condition, these two conditions should be true, and these two conditions are there, and between these a to z होना चाहिए, या small a to z, या this is or, या तो ये condition, if ये condition true होनी चाहिए, या ये. If out of both the condition any one condition is true, so it will print कि character is a alphabet, and if this whole statement is false, then it will move down and it will check whether this ch comes between 0 and 9. If this condition is true, it will print this statement, and this time also if this condition is false, then it will go down and it will tell you that this character is neither digit nor alphabet. Let's see the output of this also. If I give a here, then it will tell me a is alphabet. Now let's do again. I'm giving a capital letter. If I write here, we have to give one character only, and enter is our alphabet. And if I give a number, I'm giving a number, then it will give me 4 digits. Let's see, it again here also you have to give only one, because we have given a condition 0 to 9. Let's take another question. See, now this condition is related to leap year, we have to check whether a year is a leap year or not. So here we have three conditions to be checked. That number, that year should be divisible by 4 and it should give you 0. Either that number, that year should be divisible by 100 and it should give you 0, or that year should be divided by 400 and the remainder should be 0. If all these three conditions, any one of them is true, all of them are true, then only it will give you leap year, else it will write is not a leap year. So let's check the condition. 2024. Okay, what happened? Enter a year. Have I not used this? Now this is a multiple if statement. You may see here we have to check whether a year is a leap year or not. So input int, again we are using int, and you may see here I have used 3 if statement, and with these 3 if statement we have 3 else statement also. But you have to keep these indentation in mind. The innermost if condition is to be closed first, like if this modulus 400 equals to 0, then it will print leap year, and if this is not true, then it will print not a leap year. Then this condition, this if, and with this if we have this else, and if this condition is true, it will be leap year. If condition is false, it will be not a leap year. And if it is not divisible by 4, this first condition, if this condition is false, then it will print this leap year. And if this condition is true, it will go down and check whether this year is 1000 or not. And if this condition is true, again it will go down and check if this is divisible 400 and it is giving 400, then it will print a leap year. And let's check this output here. Like we all know that 2024 is a leap year. Let's write 2024, and it is showing you it is a leap year. Now next year is not a leap year, 2025. So I'm writing here 2025. Then you see it's not a leap year. So this question is not in your course, this type of question, but still you may see this leap year is very important, so you may do this. This is not important for your class, but it is an important thing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.